So when you see my video of when I replaced a carburetor on a Husqvarna pressure washer, I'll put it right up there. There, somewhere. Anyways, I'll put the link there for that video. One of you commented about a spring. So I watched it and I didn't notice it. But yeah, when I took the spring off the carburetor to start with, the other end that goes to the governor was already disconnected. Let's go put that on for the guy. Right there. See that spring? It's unhooked. I did notice that when I took it apart and I put it back together. So I'm going to see if I can do this one-handed while holding the camera. Alright, couldn't hold it and the camera at the same time, so there's the spring. It's hooked back in right there. And it's still hooked into the carburetor. Probably can't see it back there, but it's all done. Thanks for the heads up.